So in this video, we're going to talk about the legal description of a property and how to actually identify a legal parcel of real estate. This is Dave at titlesearch.com. And in many cases, the property identifier that's received with a real estate contract or a title search order is an address, 12 Main Street, 21 Oak Street. Remember that an address is simply an identifier used for the mailman to deliver mail to your house. It's not a legal identifier of that parcel. The reason why is because a parcel address may have more than one legal piece of property associated with it. It could be a duplex, it could be a split property, could have an extra lot in the back of the yard. Another number you may see to identify property is an APN number. That stands for Assessor's Property Number. That's simply the account number that the tax collector uses to collect taxes on that property. A legal description is, well, that's the legal description of the property. A legal description looks something like this. Take a look at the document that's going to pop up on your screen. This is a 3 or 4 or 5 paragraph description of a parcel that you'll see on every legal title document in a title search. It normally has a long running description starting at such and such a point, going 100 feet this direction, turning 30 degrees, and going all the way around the boundaries of the property to outline where that property starts and stops. So once you've seen the legal description, you can kind of realize it's very difficult to index that. It's not something that can go in a database, not something you can look up by. You can't even recite it very well every time because it's a long, drawn-out description of that property. Look at all the deeds, look at all the mortgages, all the liens that you see in property records or on a title search. You often won't find an address listed anywhere. You'll see that legal description. There's 2 types of legal description, a meets and bounds description or a block and lot description. In either case, it's a very long, drawn-out narrative of where that property starts and stops. Part of a title search is to verify that it's the same between the documents so that each one of those documents pertains to the right property. In some cases, a legal description can be referenced by survey. So when somebody asks you about a legal description, how to identify property, remember, post office address is simply that. It's used for the post office. A legal description is what determines one property from another. If you have more questions about a legal description or title search records, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.